There's the boyo. No, Shad. Say hello. Let's go find a stick. Let's go find a stick. Come on then. Where's your stick gone? Have a look in there, look. There's loads of sticks. It's been really windy. Very windy in the old valleys today. You better believe it. Oh God, that's a rotten stick. Rotten to the core. Go on then, sweet. Hey. My dog Dingo. Beautiful now. Come on then, let's go up this way, babes. Let's keep walking. Yeah, you found another stick. He's a good boy. Yeah. Right. Mum, you throw it in the river. Yeah. You love to rip them apart first. Give it, here. Come on. And off he goes. The wind is howling through the trees. Wow, it's really windy. Windy in the valleys, if you know what I'm saying. There, look at it. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful dog. Oh, beautiful black dog. Come on, do you want this stick? This stick. There we are. Right, go find her. Look. Where's he gone now? Go find your stick. That's it. Go get it, baby. Sniff. Do we sniffy sniff and find the stick? Oh, is it too, you can't, no, it's too, there's brambles all over there. Like, go down that way. Yes. A lovely day. At least it's not raining. See? I walk in the woods with my shadow. Do you know, I feel safer walking in the woods than I do in town. I really do. No boy. Just relaxing up here. No. Where we come to unwind, innit? Oh, excuse me, I'm sniffing, sniffing. Innit? Swear winter's coming. Right, go on then, go in the stream. Ah, beautiful Welsh water. Got a lovely stream. And that beautiful dog. Ah, look at him. Shadow living his best life. Oh, there's a dog. I can see a dog walker. So, Shadow's going to have to go back on the lead. Shadow, come on. On the lead.